On this model, the cabin filter is located under the dashboard in the passenger footwell. We need to turn two clips here to release this plastic trim. We lower the trim and disconnect the footwell light connector. The cabin filter housing cover is held by two screws, for which you'll need a T20 bit. Now we can lower the cover, but on the left we have a drain hose which we need to disconnect. Now we have enough space to pull out the old cabin filter. Let's install the new filter. Position it so the beveled edge is in the upper left corner, exactly as shown in the video. Don't forget to reconnect the condensate drain hose to the cabin filter housing cover. We fasten the cover with the two screws, reconnect the footwell light connector, rotate the quarter turn clips, and we're done.